Hi and welcome to the EPROM 9. I got a new Hunter. I got some bad news and good news. The good news is I found the instant problem. The bad news is it's the classic case of an evil NiCad leaking battery. Look at the damage there. I don't know if it's damaged any of them traces, but the thing repeatedly switches on and off and doesn't respond to the keyboard. The acid has actually eaten through this, and in fact even this bit's pretty frail. So that'll be a fun repair. I can imagine that not being in the slightest bit frustrating or annoying. Leaky batteries. NiCad batteries. They are the definition of evil. This one will have to go on the pending repairs list. The top side of the board's alright though, which is good. Because that's where the acid could do the most damage, because it can hide there and just continue to corrode. It might have even been actually the standard AA batteries which went leaky, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, what date goes on the chips? EPROMs 8643, 8432. Nothing on them. 8335. Yeah, usual sort of stuff. Thanks for watching.